materials there that were still good. And we wanted to incorporate some of the wood that was still in Manila and use it in this store. So we repurposed that wood, and we have now the waffle type ceiling that you have on the rear entrance and the front entrance. Not all the stores will have that because it's also very expensive to do. But with this case, the repurposing and sustainability was very important to us, is very important to us. Another thing that he talked about kanina was the fabric that we use on the seat pads. Most of that is black leatherette. So the longest time we've been using black leatherette. And when we were designing this, we were looking at all the materials that we could use for the store, and we obviously wanted to put something that was local and integrate them. Normally they would say, can you choose one fabric to approve? When they showed it to me, I actually liked all the colors and how vibrant that was. Because for me, it was reflective of the spirit of Cebuanos. And because it's woven here locally, and we wanted to really use all. We approved all. I think we had about maybe 6 or 8 on the bond paper and all those swatches we did. We didn't know what it would look like. So I arrived this morning, and I've seen this in pictures, but it's different to see it in actual. It makes Max a little younger. It makes it less formal because we're not. Some people think that Max is fine dining, but it really is a casual dining restaurant, and the whole family is welcome to come to Max. So that's the fabric. We talked about the wood, the Mactan stone. You know, we had a house in Manila that was built in the 80s, and naging uso yung Mactan stones. Our house in my parents' house in Manila uses a lot of Mactan stone, and it's still a beautiful building material. And so when we built this, we partnered that up with our tagline, Sarap to the Bones. And I think it's fitting for us to use stone that is famous in Cebu and partner with the tagline of the Max's brand. So what else can we talk about?
Questions?
Yeah, ask me anything, I will tell you everything I know.
This is a company owner.
Yes, this is company.
And there are 2 branches here.
Yes, and we have 2 branches. We have in Sonsor. Seaside. Yes.
It will follow po kung ano concept
It will follow, yes. But I think the difference there is the look is not copy-paste. And that's harder work for a company to do because there's just more homework. But if you do the homework right and you research as to what that locality needs, the answers will come. And when we build, I always ask our design team is that when we build and when we're done, we have to be adding value to the community. And that's what, to me, signals a new store. It's not a new store because we want to add to the network of Max. So when we were growing pre-COVID, we were opening a lot of stores. COVID happened, and everybody learned and experienced a very painful moment in our history. And I felt from eating langgit. And I think those are the things that we want to put it there. And you know, when we're choosing the new dishes, you have to understand also how it comes into the thinking of putting something in. Because we're known for fried chicken, we're known for our kare-kare, principal. We have to see what that special will be in terms of your stomach. Because I came here for what you do well, but what is it that I can eat that complements that? And I think that the langgit works perfectly for that. The chorizo, I think, because sometimes it's hard to eat fried chicken early in the morning, and the local chorizo is so good. So that's how we chose that. We want to make it relevant. I think that's what I want to tell all of you also, is that when we're building Cebu, and I'm on the design team, I'm a family member of Max's, and I'm involved with the branding of our stores from Max to Crispy Dream and Pancake House and Yellow Cab. I have to say that the design in Cebu is really, really good. So much so that if you're from Manila, you feel a little insecure about it because it's so good. So sometimes we take a plane back to Manila and we're like, Why did we get the furniture from Cebu? Why is it that we make the decisions from Manila it needs to go to Cebu when already in Cebu you do it so well? So sometimes it's a change of mindset to really nod and to say that you guys do so many things well. We want to just add to that the little that we can to make it more relevant to the people that we feel.